U.S. Ordnance is forging its own distinct mark on American history. Since 1997, the corporation has designed, developed, and manufactured military small arms, machine guns, and replacement parts, demonstrating outstanding workmanship and expertise. The company captures the pioneering spirit of the Old West in its operations, blazing new paths in the land of armament with its innovative products and creative partnerships. Situated among high desert sagebrush and scrub, U.S. Ordnance's 68,000 square foot facility is where product research, development, manufacturing, and testing take place. The plant is located 20 minutes outside of Reno, in the rural town of McCarran, in the northern part of the battle-born state, Nevada. U.S. Ordnance specializes in producing new, enhanced versions of the mature, combat-proven Mark 43 and M2, making and testing them according to U.S. military technical specifications and instructions. Only U.S. Ordnance manufactures and distributes the Mark 43. The company's primary weapon systems are the M2HB QCB, the Mark 43, the M60D Enhanced, and the M4 M203, all of which are NATO sanctioned. It sells these to governmental agencies in the U.S., including law enforcement and the military, and to federally approved foreign leaderships and militaries. It also facilitates training for its products. On the U.S. Ordnance team, you'll find experienced engineers, manufacturing personnel, armorers, and support staff who work together to deliver exceptional products and service. Workers practice the company's strict code of ethics and commitment to integrity and excellence. They afford all potential and existing clients the same first-rate level of personal attention and responsiveness. A U.S. government representative is on site to witness and verify specific procedures in the production and testing of the weapons and ensure all the required standards are met. All the products that U.S. Ordnance develops are per NATO specifications. The company's engineers, CNC machinists, and armorers are devoted to constantly improving U.S. Ordnance's weapon systems to better serve the law enforcement and military personnel using them. Based on feedback from its customers, the company routinely designs new parts, modifies existing ones, or develops new products, whatever it takes to deliver the most reliable and modern weapon systems. The company strives to ensure that all its Mark 43 and M2 improvements are backwards compatible and that its M2 spares and components interchange with those of other manufacturers. U.S. Ordnance research and development personnel put the company's weapon systems through drop testing and environmental testing, like mud, ice, heat, and water immersion, to ensure they will continue to perform even in the harshest environments. U.S. Ordnance has specialized equipment on site for the various processes involved in manufacturing and testing weapon systems. All of it is ISO 9001-2008 certified and delivers enhanced performance and productivity. For instance, it has the state-of-the-art CNC machining centers and screw machines, which are used to machine the various parts that make up each weapon. Other machinery includes high-capacity barrel production and mil-spec plating equipment. The company also uses a magnetic particle inspection machine for detecting surface and subsurface irregularities in the metal of its weapons. U.S. Ordnance's ISO 9001-2008 inventory control and storage process guarantees that only approved components and materials are used on our weapon systems. After the weapons are machined, U.S. Ordnance media blasts them to smooth and removes contaminants from their surfaces. This process prepares their surfaces for a protective coating. It is at this state that several proprietary surface treatments are applied to key components to inhibit wear and resist corrosion. Finished components are phosphated in-house using a U.S. government-certified mil-spec process. It involves application of manganese, which protects the steel surfaces from corrosion. U.S. Ordnance also puts its weapons through a cold treatment. Cryogenic processing is an ultra-low temperature processing of materials to enhance their desired metallurgical and structural properties. U.S. Ordnance workers are highly skilled and undergo an intensive training program. They assemble and complete 100% of the company's weapon systems in-house. All U.S. Ordnance packaging conforms to military preservation, packing, and marking requirements of the current mill standards. UID and RFID marking are available as required. Once guns are assembled, U.S. Ordnance comprehensively tests them to ensure the reliability and quality its products are known for. Each weapon undergoes high-pressure testing and magnetic particle inspection. Conveniently, the company has an on-site shooting range where it proof-fires every weapon for functionality and accuracy. With all this testing, you can be confident that your U.S. Ordnance weapon will be ready when you need it most. At U.S. Ordnance, quality control is never compromised. The quality assurance teams checks all materials and parts. They inspect the material certifications, heat treat and test reports, and also perform dimensional testing on all the parts to ensure they comply with the technical drawings. Each weapon has a unique serial number, which means all the raw materials that went into making each one can be traced to their origins. Once a weapon system is completed, tested, and receives final quality assurance approval, it is packaged, labeled, and marked according to the current mill standard. U.S. Ordnance. Inventive, responsive, accountable.